Assalamualaikum. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and must have completed written work of previous chapter. Today we are going to start lesson number 5 and the topic is life cycle. Now take out your books, New Oxford Primary Science, and open page number 16. Unit 4 Life Cycles. In this chapter, we study about the animals that produce their young ones, which grow into adult, and we will also study about the different stages in the life cycle of frog, fish, and the butterfly. Now, let's start our lesson. All animals have a life cycle. A cycle is something that happens over and over again. With time, all living things become old and die, but they can make copies of themselves by having young ones. The life cycle of an animal is all the stages in its life. The life cycle also shows how an animal makes copies of itself by having babies. प्यारे बच्चों, जितने भी जानवर हैं सबकी लाइफ साइकिल होती है जो कि चलती रहती है और कभी रुकती नहीं है। जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स पैदा होते हैं तो वो वक्त के साथ साथ बूढ़े हो जाते हैं और मर जाते हैं, लेकिन लाइफ साइकिल के ज़रिए वो उनके बच्चे होते रहते हैं और उनके लाइफ साइकिल में बहुत तरह की स्टेजेस होते हैं। लाइफ साइकिल के ज़रिए हमें ये पता चलता है कि किस तरह जानवरों के बच्चे होते हैं और क्या क्या प्रोसेस होते हैं। Frogs live near ponds. They live on land but go into the water often. Frogs have babies by laying eggs in the water. Frog एक ऐसा एनिमल है जो ज़मीन पर भी रहता है और पानी में भी रहता है, लेकिन जब ये अपने अंडे देता है तो एग प्रोड्यूस करता है, तो वो कहाँ प्रोड्यूस करता है? पानी में, अंडर वाटर प्रोड्यूस करता है अपने एग्स। नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 17. These pictures show you how a small egg grows into a frog. Look at this picture. These are frog's egg. Look at these are frog's eggs. The tadpole grows inside the egg. अब ये जो eggs हैं इसी के inside, इसी के अंदर tadpole grow करेंगे। ये है tadpole. Now come to the next. The tadpole comes out of the egg. It begins to swim. जब टैडपोल एग से बाहर आते हैं तो वो कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं और वो इस काबिल होते हैं कि वो स्विम कर सकते हैं। नाउ द बैक लेग्स ग्रो. अब इसकी ये जो बैक के जो लेग्स हैं ये ग्रो करेंगे जब ये एग से बाहर आ जाता है टैडपोल, तो उसके बाद इसके बैक के लेग्स ग्रो करते हैं। नाउ द टैडपोल्स जॉ grows, the front legs grow. अब इसकी ये जो जॉज हैं ये ग्रो करते हैं और इसके फ्रंट के लेग्स हैं वो ग्रो होते हैं। नाउ द टेल disappears. The tadpole becomes a frog. The frog then comes out of the water. उसके बाद इसकी जो टेल है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता डिसअपियर होना शुरू हो जाती है। ये देखिए इधर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इसकी टेल डिसअपियर हो रही है, ख़त्म हो रही है। और उसके बाद ये एक फ्रॉग, उसके बाद ये एक एडल्ट फ्रॉग है। उसके बाद ये एडल्ट फ्रॉग बनने के बाद पानी से बाहर आता है। ये सारा प्रोसेस जो होता है ये पानी के अंदर ही होता है, क्योंकि फ्रॉग अपने एग्स कहाँ प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, पानी में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो इसी वजह से ये सारा प्रोसेस जो होता है ये पानी में होता है। जब फ्रॉग पूरा बन जाता है एक इस तरह से, तो वो फिर पानी से बाहर आता है। डू यू नो फ्रॉग्स ब्रीथ थ्रू लंग्स जस्ट लाइक अस। फ्रॉग लंग्स से सांस लेते हैं बिल्कुल हमारी तरह, बट tadpoles have tiny gills to breathe underwater like fish. But जो tadpole होते हैं, look at this is a tadpole. tadpole जो होते हैं उनके पास होते हैं tiny gills जो उनके नेक में होते हैं, तो वो उसके थ्रू सांस लेते हैं अंडर वाटर लाइक फिश। नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 18. Fish also have babies by laying eggs in water. The babies which come out of the eggs are called fry. Here is their life cycle. Look at this. This is the life cycle of fish. These are eggs. Fish laying eggs in water. Then the fry comes out of the egg. Look at this. This is a fry. Then fry becomes an adult fish. This is the complete life cycle of fish. Most insects have a life cycle like that of the butterfly shown blue. Look at this. This is the life cycle of butterfly. बहुत से इंसेक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी लाइफ साइकिल होती है, जैसे कि बटरफ्लाई. बटरफ्लाई lays eggs on the leaf. Then the caterpillar comes out of the egg. Then caterpillar change into pupa chrysalis. Like this. This is a pupa chrysalis, and after that form an adult emerging from chrysalis. Then it becomes an adult butterfly. Butterfly egg produce करती है, egg से caterpillar बनता है, देन कैटरपिलर से प्यूपा क्रिसलिस फॉर्म होता है, और प्यूपा क्रिसलिस से एडल्ट इमर्जिंग फॉर्म होता है, और एडल्ट इमर्जिंग से एक एडल्ट बटरफ्लाई फॉर्म होती है। ये बटरफ्लाई की लाइफ साइकिल है, और ये साइकिल इसी तरह से चलती रहती है। नाउ टेक आउट योर साइंस इंटरलीफ कॉपी. फर्स्ट राइट डेट हेयर. चैप्टर Life cycle, new words. Number 1, lungs. LUNGS, lungs. Number 2, laying. LAYING, laying. Number 3, tadpole. TADPOLE, tadpole. Number 4, stages. STAGES, stages. Number 5, caterpillar. CATER, cater. PILLAR, pillar, caterpillar. Number 6, chrysalis. CHRYSALIS, chrysalis. Number 7, emerging. EMERGING, emerging. Number 8, pupa. PUPA, pupa. Number 9, breathe. BREATHE, breathe. Number 10, disappear. DISAPPEAR, disappear, disappear. Now open new page, write date, question, answers in 4 lines with blue color pencil. Write question with blue color pencil and the answer with pencil. Question number 1. Define life cycle. Answer. A life cycle is the stages that occur in a plant's or animal's lifetime. A life cycle is the stages that occur in a plant's or animal's lifetime. Question number 2. How does frog and tadpole breathe? Answer. Frog breathe through lungs, but tadpole breathe through tiny gills. Frog breathe through lungs, but tadpole breathe through tiny gills. Question number 3. What does a caterpillar look like? Answer. Caterpillar looks like a worm. Caterpillar looks like a worm. Question number 4. Where does frog lay their eggs? Answer. Frog lay its eggs under the water. Frog lay its eggs under the water. Now open new page, write date, true, false. Number 1. All animals have a life cycle. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So write true over here. Number 2. Fish breathe through gills. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Fish breathe through gills. So write true over here. Number 3. Life cycle of a fish has 4 stages. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because life cycle of fish has 3 stages. So write false over here. Number 4. All living things grow and die. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. All living things grow and die. So write true over here. Now take out your books, open page number 19, exercise. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. Part A. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay dash in water. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay eggs in water. So write eggs over here. E-double-G-S, eggs. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay eggs in water. Part B. Fish eggs first develop into dash before turning into fish. Fish eggs first develop into fry. So write fry in the blank. F-R-Y, fry. Before turning into fish. Fish eggs first developed into fry before turning into fish. Part C. Frog eggs first develop into dash. Frog eggs first develop into tadpole. So write tadpole here. T-A-D-P-O-L-E, Tadpole. Frog eggs first develop into tadpole. Now exercise number 2. Look at the picture and complete the fact file about frogs below using the correct words and phrases from the brackets. A frog lives in dash. Air, water, land, land and water. Yes, a frog lives in land and water. So, take the right answer and fill in the blank. Write land, L-A-N-D, land, A-N-D, and water, W-A-T-E-R, water. A frog lives in land and water. It has dash limbs, 2, 4, 6. It has dash limbs? Yes, it has 4 limbs. So take the right answer and fill in the blank. Write 4. F-O-U-R. 4. It has 4 limbs. Its skin is dash, dry and scaly, bumpy and wet. Its skin is dry and scaly, bumpy and wet. Yes, its skin is dry and scaly. So take the right answer and fill in the blank. Write dry, D-R-Y, dry, A-N-D, and scaly, S-C-A-L-Y, scaly. Its skin is dry and scaly. It dash a neck. Has, does not have. Yes, it does not have a neck. So take the right answer and fill in the blank. It, D-O-E-S, does, N-O-T, not, it does not, H-A-V-E, have. It does not have a neck. It eats dash, flies, grass. Yes, it eats flies. So take the right answer. It eats flies. Fill in the blank. F-L-I-E-S, flies. It eats flies. It dash, hisses, croaks, scratches. Yes, it is croaks. Take the right answer and fill in the blank. Write croaks. C-R-O-A-K-S, croaks. It croaks. Baby frogs are called dash, chrysalis, tadpoles. Yes, baby frogs called tadpole. So take the right answer and fill in the blank. Write tadpoles. T-A-D-P-O-L-E-S, poles, tadpoles. Baby frogs are called tadpoles.